The definition of differentiated learning is providing all students within the diverse classroom community. Differentiated instruction based on the research is the process of ensuring that what a student learns, how he or she learns it, and how the students demonstrate what he or she has learned. It's a match for that students' readiness level, interests, and preferred mode of learning. Differentiated classroom is a classroom that includes and allows all students to be successful. To do this, the teacher sets different expectation for task completion for students, specifically based upon their individual needs. And teacher can differentiate in 4 ways: through content, process, products, and learning environment based on the individual learner. And this presentation will focus on differentiate process in foreign language classroom. Process refers to the way students make their own sense of the content or input. Process is half of teaching. And to modify the process, the teacher can apply a variety of flexible grouping strategies, such as ability grouping, interest grouping, or grouping by learning profile. And the tic-tac-toe manual I attached in my Google Slides is a great example of a skill-based set of practice options, from which learners can choose in order to make sense of the structure section of a unit on the family. And there are opportunities to practice questions, necessary verbs to enhance the topic, or vocabulary to support the units. And the students make 3 choices according to the contract. This activity gives them more responsibility and accountability for their learning, because they must manage their time and select the options that will help them reach their full potential. And the process of how the material in a lesson is learned may be differentiated for students based on their learning styles, taking into account what standards of performance are required for the age level. And this stage of differentiation allows students to learn based either on what method is easier for them to gain knowledge, or what may challenge them most. Like some students may prefer to read about a topic or may require practice in reading, and others may refer to listen or require practice in listening, or acquire knowledge by manipulating objects associated with the content. And information may be presented in multiple ways by the teacher, or maybe based on any available methods or materials. And I believe that many teachers use areas of multiple intelligences to provide learning opportunities.